welcome back to the workshop series. For my 10th project today, I will be dipping back into the Off the Canvas challenge where I will be painting on a polo shirt, and the design that I'm going to be painting on this shirt is inspired by Europa the moon. I'm not going to paint the moon itself, but if you zoom in and you look at the textures and the details and composition of the planet itself, that's what I'm going to be inspired by today. So for today's project, we are going to be using a lot of this fabric paint. Now, the textures of Europa, you'll see that there's a variety of different colors. So it's not just purely white, there's also teal and this rusty orange color, and that's what I want to interpret in this piece. And also the lines and ridges and the textures that are also a part of this composition. So we'll see how this goes. Let's get started. My 10th project is now completed. So I have a surprise twist here. This is the first part of a 3-part project. I am doing a head-to-toe look, so I'm going to be decorating a hat, and I'm also going to be decorating a coat. What I'm going to actually do, I'm still kind of planning that out, but it's going to be spaced out in different episodes throughout the season. Next week, I'm going to be introducing another viewer challenge. This one is interesting because it's going to test my speed and accuracy. So, cannot wait for next week. We'll see you on the next episode.